trusty sidekick, Jack. Hey, Jack, you ready to do some investigations? Well, scientists, this is station 1, where we're talking about how an object's mass affects its motion. Now, the materials you'll need will come from this kit that your teacher has in their classroom. If you don't have these at home, I can show you another way to do this investigation. For this investigation, you'll need the ramp, you'll need a science source book, you'll need one of the tumblers from the kit, and you'll need 6 marbles. You'll also need a measuring tape and some tape to tape down the measuring tape. So, how to set it up is you're going to take your ramp and rest it up on your science source. And then I'm going to take my measuring tape and tape it down so it doesn't move. Make sure to find the 0 mark. That's the wrong end. Okay, so I'm going to tape this right at the end of the ramp. Now I want to make sure my tape does not get in the way of that tumbler rolling. And then I'm going to tape it also at the other end. Excuse me, Jack. Jack, excuse me. Oh, I love you too. Okay, Jack. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our tumbler, and for our first set of trials, we're going to put 2 marbles in our tumbler. Okay, we're going to seal it up, and that has added some mass to our tumbler. And we're going to roll, excuse me, Jack. There you go. So I'm going to put it at the top. Now, for every trial, make sure you always start it at the same spot, and you don't push it, you just let go. And then I'm going to measure where it stopped. You need to decide if you want to measure it at the front or at the back. Whichever place you decide to take your measurement from, just always do it from the same place. Okay, so I'm going to get a straight edge and see it is at 18.5 centimeters. Remember, scientists, we always measure in the metric, using the metric system. So I'm going to record that on my data table, and then I will do 2 more trials with my 2 marbles. And then, according to the directions, I will then add 2 more and do 3 trials with 4 marbles, and then 3 trials with 6 marbles. If you don't have these materials at home, there's an easy solution. If you have a toy car like a Matchbox car, take that, or something with wheels, maybe a little miniature skateboard, and then add pennies. 2 pennies, 4 pennies, 6 pennies. And you can just tape that right on top of your car or skateboard. Okay, scientists, so collect the materials, set up your investigation, and then go ahead and collect your trials.